Boston. Alright, they have this Blue Star Memorial. Alright. And this one, Illinois. General Assembly of Illinois. Fort Massac Rest Area. Alright, nothing here, it's all closed. We don't want them getting addicted to tobacco now. See, wasps pollinate too. Some people think they're just evil. Alright, anyways, time to go. Fort Massac. Alright, time to continue. Next charging stop. I'm surprised they don't have the welcome center here like the other ones. Alright. Here we go. We got 87 miles to go. It's 8:55 p.m. 50 degrees outside. We're at 63%. It says we'll arrive with 31. Look at that bridge. Red, white, and blue, and it changes. Nice. Welcome to Marion. Alright, we got it, and the total was $6.56. There we go. We're not going to be able to fit the other Wisconsin up there. Alright, time to continue. It's 9:48, 51 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Feels nice. Alright. And we'll arrive at the next charger in about 40 minutes, 40 miles. There's the Marion Turnip Water Tower. It's getting all foggy, or is that construction dust? It's clearing up. Alright, we're here next to another subway. I don't know if the bathrooms are, if the
now turn left.
Place is open 24/7. Might be. Can you go in here? Culver's, butter burgers, and frozen custard. Huh. Sounds good, but it looks like they're closed as well. Alright, we made it to the charger. It says the next one will arrive with, or the capital will arrive with negative 42%. So we're gonna need to charge up another at least 70%. So that's like 100% pretty much. So let's plug it in, let it go, and use the restroom, and then we're gonna take, I don't know if we're gonna, well, we're not gonna sleep here, I don't think. I need to see. I'm gonna have to drive to the capital. Uh-oh, is this gonna reach? Nope. I need to back up more. I didn't back up so far because I was thinking I was gonna sleep, but I'm not. As you can probably tell, this one's installed wrong. What the heck? It's like hitting here. Yeah, not a good design. Anyways, let's go to the restroom. Hopefully they're open. Also, this one's nice. They give you trash cans and the little washer thingies. But yeah, let's go. Couldn't practice, but nobody's refilling that. There's no soap. So yeah, they have to include a soap thing there. I don't know how they refill that. The soap dispenser here. Where do you refill it? I don't know. Alright, so I changed it up. I picked a charger that's just before the Capitol. That way we could sleep there after charging. And then we'll go there, then we'll continue through to the other charger. And then we'll go to the charger in Wisconsin. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, we're at 97%. It says we'll arrive with 29. That's plenty, so let's unplug and go. Let's go, 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 go. Unplug, unplug. Ugh. Bad charger placement. Or bad lines, either. Or both. Let's see here. Where are we going? St. Louis, Chicago, Mount Vernon. 1 hour, 30 minutes. 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 1 hour, 30 Chicago, Indianapolis. What?
Now take the
Where are we?
Interstate 55
Illinois?
northbound on the right.
Passing over Lake Springfield. Can't really see anything. It's all dark. You can see the bridge. We're almost there. 0.4 miles to go to the charge stop. Alright, we're here at Shields. And the chargers are right there. So let's charge it up. Alright, let's plug in. There's nobody anywhere nearby. They're all far away. So let's plug this in. And we'll go. Oh, is it gonna reach? It's going. There we go. How long is it gonna take? Let's see. It's gonna take a while to start up, but we'll see. It is 1:33 a.m., 49 degrees Fahrenheit. We're at 27%. And let's see, to continue the trip, how far is the state capital here? 4.6 miles. It's pretty close. So yeah, we'll charge up and then we'll continue. Tomorrow, we'll just sleep here. Alright, so it says it's charging 142 kilowatt speed. 30 minutes. How long to charge the full amount? That's what I want to know. Or at least to 50. Since it's a slower charger. I'll just charge to 80. And then let's see. Alright, we'll figure it out. Because we do need to charge enough to get to here. Which means we need at least charge another 60%, right? So that's like 90. Yep. So we'll need like close to 90 to be safe. So we'll just charge it all the way, and then we'll continue early in the morning. All right, we'll see you guys then. Okay, 99, enough to charge. Continue trip. I'm just gonna move it to a parking spot and then we'll sleep. I unplugged it and then we're just gonna park like there or something.